think I might have went a little overboard at Olive Garden today. But I do also have 2 boys and a husband to feed, so don't worry, nothing will go to waste. I'm absolutely starving, so let's dig in. Olive Garden has hands down the best salad. Next, let's go on with their lasagna frita. It's with marinara sauce and Alfredo sauce, and this is the best thing on the Olive Garden menu, hands down. That was delicious, but let's take a little breadstick break. Yo. Now let's move on to the pastas. We have a cheese ravioli and a fettuccine alfredo with broccoli. I absolutely love raviolis, but I feel like there's never enough in the dish, so I just never order it. To me, broccoli just makes fettuccine alfredo just taste like that much more elevated. It made it taste like home cooked, like your grandma that made it. You probably thought we were done, but we're not. The last thing we're gonna eat is Sicilian cheesecake. This is made with ricotta cheese. They give you like a strawberry compote type thing to put on it. It's a little too sweet for me, but I will use the strawberry pieces. Last bite. Cheers. Alright, my loves, we literally just stuffed our faces and it was absolutely delicious. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite Olive Garden dish is, and if I didn't have it today, should I go try it? But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!